Hey everyone, back with the last assignment for this week, for week 4, phase 4. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, we've been working on poetry for the past 2 weeks. So for the last assignment, I'm going to have you create a poem. And luckily, I have half of it written for you. You just got to fill in the blanks. So here's a template of what I'm wanting. It's called the I am poem. And here's just an example. So I am two special characteristics you have. So the source input, I am polite and kind. I wonder, something curious. I wonder about my kid's future. I hear an imaginary sound. I hear unicorns cry. Oh, that's pretty sad. I see an imaginary sight, Atlantis. I want an actual desire. I want to do it all over again. I am the first line of the poem repeated. I am polite and kind. So what I want you to do is take this and put in your own words. And I have it written down here. So what you're going to do is focus on the first stanza, go back up, and it says, I am two special characteristics. So you put, I am smart and hungry, whatever you want to put. You put, I wonder, something you're curious about. I'll type it for you just to show you. I'm smart and I don't want to do hungry. I am smart and I'm smart and awesome. Good now. I wonder how big the universe actually is. I hear, what is it? I hear an imaginary sound. I hear elves. Is it like that? Elves yelling my name in the backyard. I don't know, this is something crazy. I'm just going to do the first stanza just so you can see. I see an imaginary sight. I see with my eye Narnia. No, just kidding. Yeah, you can do that. Like Hogwarts. Slytherin. Just kidding. I want an actual desire. I want a big house with 10 dogs. And then it says, I believe, repeat the first line. I am the first line of the poem. Repeat it, yes. I am, smart and awesome. So yeah, so just go through and follow it all the way through. Each stanza. So the next one is I pretend something you actually pretend to do. This is the last one I'll do. I pretend to be a rock star. Word. Win my jams. I'm on the radio. Something crazy. It doesn't have to be like, it's sort of nonsensical. It doesn't have to be like serious. You can make it serious if you want to. I chose to be a little bit more funny with it. But anyway, go through and fill in the blank for each of these. Use this as a guidance to help you if you get stuck. I don't want to see this right here typed up, and I don't want to see the example I used. So anyway, that's the last assignment. It's due Sunday at midnight. It's okay if it's late. I know we're all going through different things, so if it's late, it's late. But don't take this too like crazy serious. Just however you're feeling, write it. Again, have any questions? Reach me on Google Classroom, Instagram, Facebook. You can email me. You can send me a telegram. Just kidding. Oh, I also have my Google Voice number out there somewhere. So yeah, reach out if you need any help. But anyway, it's the last assignment for the week. And yeah, bye y'all.